We're at Cedar Point Campground. And Cedar Point Campground. I'll give a review of the campground. It's pretty full. We're gonna go in the bathhouse and yeah, check out the bathhouse. It does not have air conditioning, by the way, so if you come to Cedar Point Campground in North Carolina near Emerald Isle, you will not get air conditioning in the bathhouse. I can go ahead and tell you that. No AC. Okay. There we go. This is the bathhouse shower for campers only. Excuse me. This is one. That's the men's. This one's handicap. Handicap one's pretty big. Come in this one with my sister. Handicap bathroom. I use it a lot. Ugh, nasty. That's it. Out back. And this is the women's bathroom. Women's 1, 2, and 3. And that's the bathhouse. No AC, as you can see. We got those windows up here for the air to circulate. And yep, that's the bathhouse. Handicap shower, handicap bathroom, men's and women's. And then back out to the campground. This is it.